in the Open Conference. Let's send it over now to Rina Villamor with our very deserving Shakey's player of the game.
That's right. I have with me here right now Tina Salak. First of all, congratulations to the Philippine Army team. Tina, sabi nga ni Coach Rico sa inyo, lahat ng teams dito competitive, pinahirapan kayo ng FEU. Ngayon, ano ang maging preparasyon nyo pagdating sa Cagayan Valley?
Siguro more on blocking pa, tsaka yung depensa namin medyo rocky pa eh. So kasi nag-start lang kami ng training 3 weeks ago, so medyo nag-a-adjust pa kami. Then siguro dun sa team namin, consistent lang siguro dun sa training program dapat sundin namin sa coaches.
Alright, at syempre hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative. Kasama natin si Miss Anna para iabot sa iyo ang iyong gift certificates from Shakey's. Alam ko, hindi ka handa dito pero may mga gusto ka bang batiin?
Binabati ko lang yung family ko na nandito from States. Si Jayden, si Lynette, si Labem. Then yung family and friends namin ng teammates ko. Then condolence po doon sa tito ng assistant coach namin, si Wumfu. At maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ainsley at saka si pangalan nito, nakalimutan ko. Si Edric. Hi, Edric. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Tina. And I'll turn you back to Noel and Mosey.
Thank you very much, Rina Villamor. And after 4 grueling sets, it is the Philippine Army staying undefeated and FEU still in search of its first win. And that will do it for us from the Ninoy Aquino Stadium right here in Manila. On behalf of our interviewer, Rina Villamor, and my partner, Mosey Ravena, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!